The acquaintance.
Hello, Alex.
Hi, Jane. How are you?
Fine, thank you. By the way, this is Valeria. She is from Italy.
Hello, Valeria.
Hello.
Do you study here?
No, I would like to work here.
Oh, I see. What kind of work do you want to do?
I am a graphic designer.
That sounds interesting. Do you have any work experience?
Yes, I worked in Italy for 3 years.
That's great. Do you like this city?
Yes, it's very beautiful. The people are friendly too.
Have you visited many places here?
Not yet. I arrived last week.
We can show you around if you want.
That would be nice. Thank you.
No problem. Do you speak English?
A little. I am still learning.
Your English is good. Keep practicing.
Thank you. I will.
Let's exchange phone numbers. We can plan to meet again.
Good idea. Here is my number.
Thanks. I'll send you a message.
Great. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Valeria.
At the bus stop.
Hello. Have you been waiting here long?
Well, it's already been an hour.
My bus isn't coming, and my umbrella is broken.
No problem. My umbrella is big. Please.
Thank you very much. That's very kind.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I do. I take it to work.
Oh, I see. Where do you work?
I work at the library. How about you?
I work at the supermarket near the park.
That's nice. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's not too far from my house.
That's convenient. What time does your bus usually come?
It usually comes at 8:30, but today it's late.
Maybe it's the rain causing delays.
Yes, probably. Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a few blocks away.
That's good. It's nice to meet a neighbor.
Yes, it is. Maybe we'll see each other again.
I hope so. Have a good day at work.
Thank you, you too.
The appointment.
Can we play tennis together again sometime?
Yes, why not?
Great. Do you have time on Sunday?
Yes, I can on Sunday.
Very good. Does 10 o'clock suit you?
Yes, agreed.
Do you want to meet at the same place as last time?
Yes, that works for me. The tennis court's near the park, right?
Exactly. Should we bring anything special?
Just your tennis racket and a bottle of water.
Okay, sounds good. Do you want to grab a coffee after the game?
That would be nice. I know a good cafe nearby.
Perfect. How about we meet at 9:45 to warm up?
Great idea. I'll be there on time.
Looking forward to it. See you on Sunday.
See you then. Have a good week.
You too. Bye.
On the street.
Good day, how can I help you?
I have a question. What are the sights to see here in the city?
Definitely visit the cathedral and the Cathedral Museum.
Could you perhaps explain the way to me?
Yes, gladly. You will find the cathedral quite easily. It's only 50 meters from here, straight ahead.
Thank you. And the museum?
After the cathedral, take the first street on the left.
Is it far from the cathedral to the museum?
No, it's very close, just a few minutes' walk.
Great. Are there any good restaurants nearby?
Yes, there is a nice restaurant right next to the museum.
That sounds perfect. Can I also get a map somewhere?
Yes, you can get a map at the Tourist Information Center. It's near the cathedral.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
Have a good day.
You too.
On the street.
Excuse me, how do I get to Golfplatz?
Quite simple. Go straight along Blumenweg. Then you will see Golfplatz on the left.
So, first straight ahead to the intersection, and then right?
Yes, exactly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Is Golfplatz far from here?
No, it's about a 10-minute walk.
Are there any landmarks to look for?
Yes, you will pass a large fountain on the way.
Great. Is there a bus stop near Golfplatz?
Yes, there is a bus stop right next to the square.
Perfect. I need to catch a bus after visiting.
You will see the bus stop as soon as you reach the square.
Thank you again for your help.
No problem. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
At the hotel.
Good day. How can I help you?
I am looking for a room. Do you have any available?
Yes. How long would you like to stay?
I would like to stay for 2 nights.
Do you need a single room or a double room?
A single room. How much does it cost?
One night with breakfast costs €85.
All right. I'll take it. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, of course. We accept all major credit cards.
Great. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Is there free Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, we provide free Wi-Fi for all our guests.
Wonderful. Could you tell me where the breakfast is served?
Breakfast is served in the dining area on the first floor from 7 to 10 a.m.
Thank you. Is there anything interesting to see nearby?
Yes, there is a beautiful park and a museum just a few minutes walk from here.
That sounds nice. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
At the restaurant.
Waiter, please bring me the bill.
Yes, gladly. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, thank you.
Together or separate?
Together, please.
That will be 27.90 euros.
30 euros. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here you go. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!